Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how to build a player TNT launcher in Minecraft. So you're going to need 16 redstone, you're going to need 12 dispensers, 5 blocks of your choice, 4 buckets of water, and 1 button. So this is the arrangement that you need to create. I can just jump in, press the button. And you also need 12 TNT at least. Look how high you go. So this is the little arrangement that you need to build. It's really simple, really easy. Come on, player. In creative mode. You can't do this in survival, it won't work. Which is actually kind of annoying because it would be really fun to jump up into the air and try to land in a small pool. But this is what you need to build. Really simple, really easy. Jump in. God, that is really high. By the way, when you're doing this, I recommend that you go into maximum rendering distance because it goes farther than 6 chunks. Because earlier I had mine set to 6, but I've had to switch it to 16, and I can just about see the whole thing. So yeah, it's really simple, really easy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.